West Java, renowned for its beautiful landscapes and delicious food, is also home to unique and diverse musical instruments. One of the most iconic is the Angklung, a bamboo instrument from the Sundanese culture. For centuries, its melodies have echoed through the lush valleys and volcanic peaks of West Java. Its music tells a story of ancient rituals and cultural heritage. The very essence of Angklung lies in its name, a word that echoes its distinctive sound. The term Angklung originates from the Sundanese word Angklung, a word that beautifully encapsulates the instrument's very being. Angklung refers to the rhythmic hand movements, the delicate shakes and vibrations required to coax music from these bamboo tubes. As you move your wrist, you create a gentle shaking motion, and the bamboo tubes collide, producing a sound. It's a simple action, yet from this simplicity emerges the instrument's signature sound, clung, 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 a sound that resonates with the very soul of Sundanese culture. The Angklung is not played passively. It requires active participation, a physical embodiment of the music. In that movement, in that Angklung, we find the very essence of the instrument's charm and allure. Long before Angklung enchanted concert halls and global audiences, its melodies served a different, more sacred purpose. Journey back in time with me to a period when Angklung was deeply intertwined with the spiritual beliefs of the Sundanese people. In those early centuries, from the 2nd to the 16th century, Angklung held a place of honor in rituals dedicated to Dewi Sri, the revered rice goddess. Imagine the scene. Villagers gathered in reverence amidst emerald green rice paddies, their faces illuminated by flickering torches. The air, thick with anticipation, vibrates with the hypnotic sounds of Angklung, calling upon Dewi Sri's blessings. Angklung's role transcended mere entertainment. It was a conduit between the earthly realm and the divine. As centuries passed, the sound of Angklung took on new meaning. The arrival of colonial powers cast a shadow over the Indonesian archipelago. Under colonial rule, Angklung became a powerful symbol of resistance. The instrument became a rallying cry for those fighting for freedom. The melodies carry a different weight, anthems of defiance. The legacy of Angklung, forged in ancient rituals and tempered in the fires of resistance, continues to resonate strongly within Indonesian society. In a testament to its cultural significance, Angklung was chosen to grace the Indonesian 1,000 rupiah coin. This seemingly small gesture carries profound meaning, serving as a constant reminder to the Indonesian people, young and old, of their rich heritage. Every time this coin changes hands, it whispers a silent story, a story of ancient traditions, of struggles overcome, and of the enduring power of cultural identity. Angklung is not confined to museums or history books. It thrives in the hearts and hands of the Indonesian people. As Angklung's role in resistance grew, so did the apprehension of the colonial authorities. They recognized the power this simple instrument held, a power beyond its musicality. Driven by fear, the authorities banned Angklung. Instead of quelling resistance, it fanned the flames, solidifying Angklung's status as a symbol of defiance. The creation of an Angklung is a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and the natural world. Not just any bamboo can be transformed into this iconic instrument. One of the most prized varieties is the black bamboo, known locally as awi wulung. Its dark, almost ebony hue sets it apart, but it's the tonal quality that makes it truly special. When struck, black bamboo produces a clear, resonant sound that lingers in the air. captivating the listener. Another essential ingredient is the Gigantocloa apus, or bamboo rope, known for its strength and flexibility, providing the structural integrity that holds the angklung together. The selection, harvesting and preparation of these bamboo varieties are steeped in tradition, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. The enchanting melodies of Angklung have transcended geographical boundaries. Today, this iconic instrument has found a new stage, the global classroom. Schools in the United States, like Reed Temple Christian Academy, have embraced Angklung. In 2010, UNESCO recognized Angklung as a masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. The inclusion of Angklung in schools worldwide is a testament to its universal appeal. As our journey through the fascinating world of Angklung comes to an end, we return to the verdant landscapes of West Java, where the rhythmic clatter of bamboo tubes continues to echo through the ages. The angklung, more than just an instrument, stands as a testament to the enduring power of cultural heritage, a symbol of resilience and a source of pride for the Indonesian people. So, have you ever tried playing angklung? Beyond the instrument itself, Sundanese culture, language and traditions offer so much to explore. Angklung is just one example of how rich and vibrant Indonesian heritage truly is. If this journey into the heart of Sundanese culture has sparked your curiosity, be sure to subscribe for more explorations into the fascinating world of culture and heritage.